In a lawsuit that claimed the Buffalo Fire Department discriminated against African Americans. Good evening, I'm Diana Fairbanks. A federal judge has thrown out a lawsuit that sparked a 14-year battle for the Buffalo Fire Department. News 4's Al Vaughters has the story that's all new at 5:30. Al?
Well, Diana, the decision was the latest by U.S. District Judge John Curtin, who's been, because of discrimination complaints, overseeing hiring and promotions in Buffalo's fire and police departments for almost 40 years. The federal lawsuit was initiated in 1998 as a class of African-American firefighters and former firefighters accused the city of racial discrimination. The group is called the MOCA Society, Men of Color Helping All. MOCA's 14-year-old lawsuit had two central issues. The first, black firefighters felt they were being passed over for promotions, and the second, drug testing, which the group claimed harmed black firefighters more than whites. Many of the firefighters who tested positive were fired.
I'm not, at this point, disputing the right of the department to test. All we're asking for is a fair test, one that actually identifies the problem and deals with it in a way that is humane and rehabilitative in its basis.
U.S. District Judge John Curtin dismissed the drug testing portion of MOCA's lawsuit, ruling the group presented insufficient evidence to substantiate their claim of bias. MOCA's attorney Harvey Sanders told us they're disappointed by Judge Curtin's decision.
We think that there's evidence of discrimination in the manner in which the drug testing policy was administered, and we think that the court failed to address that evidence in the decision.
Judge Curtin has already dismissed the promotions lawsuit, and the black firefighters have appealed back. Ironically, white firefighters have been awarded $2 million in state court, accusing the city of denying their promotions along racial lines.
And we believe at the end of the day the city will prevail in these lawsuits and will create an environment where all of our firefighters know that they're valued, that their service is respected, and that they're very much needed for the protection and safety of the residents of this community.
Attorney Harvey Sanders told us MOCA Society members are still mulling over Judge Curtin's latest decision. They have 30 days to appeal. Judge Curtin's oversight of the fire department was brought about by a lawsuit filed by the U.S. Justice Department. Al Vaughters, News 4 at 5:30.